Jamie White, how do you see these two issues falling out? You know, you've got, on the one hand, trying to get his job back, saying, listen, you didn't fire me the right way. We got a whole set of rules here on how I have to be fired, and you didn't follow any of them. Meanwhile, they're saying, well, you went down to Florida and you weren't supposed to.
Sure. Well, I do disagree with Holly to some degree. You know, she has a lot of local knowledge, so I should probably be careful in that regard. But, you know, I don't think you're allowed to have misunderstandings while on bond for homicide. You should be living by the letter of the law. You know, curfew means curfew. I think it's extremely pretentious for him to get up and go on vacation without having actual approval from the judge. You know, when we get a bond modification, we send the details of where we're going, and until we get approval from the judge, you just don't go. You know, as far as him getting his job back, I suppose if it's a tactic for discovery, it's an inappropriate lawsuit if that's the case. But I don't think it has much merit. It appears to me that the claims, as I read, all seem to be administrative in nature. And, you know, he can claim due process, but it seems to be more of a breach of contract policy argument. And with what the mayor, Lance Bottoms, was dealing with at that point in time, you know, we had national unrest all over the country. You know, Atlanta was close to catching on fire. She certainly was entitled to weigh the best interest of her community and her population against the administrative due process of the officer.
All right, Jay.